Click to start ScaleApp program. Minimize the background frame. Stretch this window to view drop-downs better. Start making your selections on each of the drop-downs. Connect to the scale, the moisture tester, if not already done. Click to use these readings. Click to use value for gross weight. Click to use tare when weighing out. Or you can manually enter values. When ticket completed, click Submit only once. It takes a bit, be patient. A new ticket with defaults for crop field bin is loaded. Edit only the drop-downs that have changed. Fill in the rest of the ticket as done previously.